Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry using curry powder. First, select a high-quality curry powder, as its blend of spices forms the foundation of your dish. Next, prepare your aromatics. Finely chop 1 medium onion, mince 2 cloves of garlic, and grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Have your chosen protein or vegetables ready, cut into uniform, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and flavorful cooking process. Now, let's build those incredible flavors. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them for approximately 5 minutes until they become translucent and slightly golden. Then, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful aroma. Finally, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curry powder, stirring constantly for 1 minute to toast the spices and deepen their flavor. With your aromatic base ready, it's time to add the main ingredients. Introduce your protein, such as chicken or chickpeas, or your chosen vegetables, stirring to coat them thoroughly with the fragrant spice mixture. Next, pour in 1 cup of liquid, like chicken broth or creamy coconut milk, ensuring most ingredients are submerged. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or until your protein is cooked through and vegetables are tender. As your curry finishes cooking, check its consistency. If it's too thin, simmer it uncovered for a few minutes to reduce. For a thicker sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it in and simmer until thickened. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, or a touch of sugar. Serve your delicious curry hot, garnished with fresh cilantro, toasted cashews, or a swirl of plain yogurt for a perfect meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.